Yeah, now we have seen about this practical. So we'll continue with the topic called meta tag. Meta tag is used in the HTML which describe the exception content of the web page. What is the mean of meta? It is a singular tag, or we can call as it is used for browsing and used as a search engine. Meta tag describe other data. It provide information about certain item content. For example, like I'm giving as an image may include meta tag that describe how large the picture can be used in the web creation. Also, we can call as it provide the empty tag. Empty tag is the different way, but we can call as a singular tag. So meta tag it is contained between the head and the head clause. In that between it is containing that meta tag. It doesn't contain the meta, but it only contain the values which is used in the meta tag. So last lecture we have seen about the input tag. So it contains the input inside in that code, but in this code the meta will not comment in that code. It will contain with the name, content and values. So we'll see what are the resolution. Web page oftenly include metadata in the form of meta tag. Describe and the keyword meta tag is commonly used describe the web pages. So there are many attributes of meta tag, like values of the name of attribute can be related to any of the following, like author and describe keyword copyright. Example, meta name is author. So I am giving here example called I am giving as the name as book. You're publishing any book, like here I am giving example. It specifies the name of metadata. The possible value are author. So it author contain to specify the author, yeah, creator, or here we can call as a company name. Description is written as to specify the description of web page, even though in the keyword to specify the keyword related to the content on the web page. Yeah, we can call as the copyright. Copyright is specify the copyright of details. So these are the description which are used. Content, it specify and textual matter related to that name, as is that example we are giving. Meta name as author content. For example, I am giving as Maharashtra state. Yeah, in your textbook it is written as a Bal Bharati. Then I will use the Bal Bharati for your information. As a meta name is equal to description content, yeah, advanced web designing. Then meta name is equal to keyword content HTML5, learn HTML5, list in the HTML5. So we'll see about this topic in your practical. It is easy to learn this practical. So we'll see. We are having then a character set, which is UTF. Here we have seen the UTF, which contain the Unicode character, and the big F is contain the Chinese character. So we'll see about that all in the practical. HTTP require attribute can be used to simulate an HTTP response header. Attribute can be used within the meta element to define the certain setting that would be required using the HTTP response header. So these are the required setters which can be used as the HTTP. So we'll see about the function and the thing. Refresh, we having the refresh, which by using this value we can define a time period. Yeah, obviously when you're getting any page, you want any page, yeah, if you want to reload that page again, you can use the refresh tag. Set the cookies, it is used as a to set a new cookie or override the existing or browsing set cookies back to the server. Yeah, if you want to go back to the other page, yeah, if you want to get that content again, you can use as a set cookies. Content type, it is allowed to specify the media type. Yeah, you can say it is used to uh, find find any types of character which can be used in the HTTP servers. Yeah, expire, it is used to expire the page session. Like for example, if you don't want the for example, I'm giving as old page of Google. If you want to delete that old page of the Google, you can delete by using the expiring HTTP. So we'll conduct this practical once again. So we'll see the practical here. So we have conducted, we'll call as a doc type HTML, then we'll call HTML head, form, title, form 3, title close. In between of head we contain the meta tag. So meta name is equal to author, content Bal Bharti. Meta name is equal to description, content advanced web designing. Meta name is equal to keyword, content HTML5, learn HTML, list in HTML5. Meta name is equal to author, content Bal Bharti. Meta name is equal to copyright, content copyright Bal Bharti or right reserve. Then head close. So we having here open body as a open tag. Then we could have a paragraph open tag, welcome to HTML5, paragraph close, body close, form close, HTML close. So we'll save the file with the form3.html. Then we see that review. You will get only the HTML file. Whatever the meta tag you have used, it will not show. But for the example we have given here, so do you see this as a Google Chrome web page? Yes. Now in here you have seen there is the link called Maharashtra State Board. This is on the author, which is conducted from the description, whatever it is used, and the main authorization, it is used as a description content. Then here you are having the search engine where you have to optimize here. So see, we having the copyright content and we have the keyword. So these are the keywords which use as a search engine. So and here we having the different link, here also we have the different link. So these are the meta name, also it is used, and it is also used the keyword. So these are the practical of the meta tag. Hope so you understood about this practical. Next lecture we are going to have the CSS practical and the instruction of cascade style sheet in HTML5. So do practice this practical. It is very easy. You can use in your notepad and execute your file. So thank you. Have a nice day.